Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add transitions between clips in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here you can see that I already two clips in my timeline. So how you can add transition? So you simply need to select from here, click the right mouse cursor and click on apply default transition, and now you can see that transition is applied between two videos. And let me zoom in from here a little bit. You can zoom in like this, and if you want to increase the duration of the transition you simply need to select that and drag like this to increase the duration of the transition. Here you can see that, but let's suppose you do not want this cross dissolve transition, so you simply need to delete that, and after that you need to go on to the effects. If effects is not visible here, you simply need to click on Windows, and here you can see effects and the shortcut is shift plus 7, and here you need to click on video transition. You can find different transition here, so let me add 3D motion. You simply need to hold that and add here like this, and here you can see that. So you can find different transitions here, and you can add any transition that you like. So this is the process by which you can add transition between clips in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.